few weeks ago, I came across some videos on Instagram that showcased amazingly implemented living rooms designs. First, they looked real to me, but then I noticed that it was the work of a computer. Curiosity had me checking to see what the followers look like on Instagram, and indeed, I was amazed at the fact that this particular page has close to 10 million people following it, with each video raking in millions of views. This therefore made me conclude that the page earns quite a large amount of money in sales from these videos on a monthly basis. Motivated by curiosity, I found out that the process is surprisingly easy and does not cost a dime. In the video, I'm going to show you how such relaxing videos are made. Let's get started. The inclusion of AI makes it easy to create these videos, which are meant for relaxing. Start with any AI picture creator depending on your taste. It is among these choices that the Mid-Journey holds a special status. But if you need a free solution, Leonardo AI is an excellent choice with 150 credits per day. For images of living rooms, especially for large ones with floor-to-ceiling windows, follow the diffusion model by Leonardo AI. For this, I have prepared a particular prompt which you'll find in the video description. Feel free to change the prompt to suit your taste. The critical aspect remains guiding the AI to make a hall with big windows. Simply hit generate. To achieve the best resolution, I recommend to upscale images in Leonardo's platform. Once the picture of the room has been produced, it is necessary to download. You will also have to prepare a distinct picture where you would paint the scenes that are exhibited outside windows. I have also created a prompt for generating such background scenes. Follow the same process. Generate, upscale, and download. The next important thing that remains to be done is in order to cut the windows from your image of a room. Although Photoshop is a good option for this, it costs money, and this need can be met by the free browser-based tool Photopea. First, layer your room image onto Photopea platform. Carefully remove the window using polygonal lasso tool by meticulously selected and deleting each section with a click on backspace button. Next, we will apply the snow and put the created background behind windows. In cases where the editing gets difficult due to fixtures such as furniture, a magic wand tool is useful in selecting effectively areas for windows. Once you finish with the parts that require precision, switch back to using polygonal lasso tool for selection of other remaining areas where windows are located. After editing the windows, save it using a PNG format. The following stage includes the animation of these pictures carried out by video processing. In this regard, the use of CapCut is very much advocated because it's more user-friendly and free for usage. In this case, load the room image with hemmed windows and backing picture to CapCut. Begin with inserting the background image on your editing timeline, and then overlaying of a room picture containing cutout windows. The snow effect can be sourced by the color green screen, which is a YouTube video that already has snow in it. Upload this video to CapCut and insert it between your two pictures. Use the chroma key option to delete a green background. Adjusting its configuration as needed until satisfied with results. Begin by removing the color from the video. With all flakes white, it will be easier to play around this element and adjust brightness. Second, give a proper dimension to the snowflake video and copy it wherever necessary until you are sure enough that all scenes is well overlapping. Thus, no time or position limitation. In this case, you may also need to go for the lighter shade on your background image and make necessary changes in its brightness level so as to present a more balanced visual. After you are happy with the result, export your final video. In case you intend to set up a fireplace as part of your scene, find a YouTube fire green screen video and use similar steps, positioning it perfectly onto the rest. Finally, merge all the layers you have created in your workspace and put on an appropriate aspect ratio for short-form video content. This ratio is a must for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Animate the merged clip to translate from left side of screen to right. Then, use keyframes to make this video move. Now drag the timing bar to the end of the clip and add another keyframe. Now position the video slightly to the right. So here's our final output. Before we proceed, please subscribe and comment below. Your support is greatly appreciated. Thank you once again for sticking through the long process. Keep in mind that this approach works for designing background, which is calming and suitable not only to ASMR, but also low-F beats channels. If you would like to learn more about making money with AI-created content, then make sure you subscribe and give the video a thumbs up for future videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.